Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for liking, viewing, sharing, and subscribing. Today we could not be more excited to check out Rain City Drives Frozen. Because if you know us and you follow this channel, you know we love this band and everything about them.
Yep.
So, that's enough said right there. So, they just dropped a new song a day ago. We couldn't be more excited. It's one of our favorite bands. And we've had the pleasure to meet a few of them. And they are awesome. So, shout out Matt, Colin. Let's do this thing. Let's see what you guys got for us. We couldn't. Turn your coffees up. What you got?
All that. Times 2.
I like it jamming out the gate.
I thought the end was the worst of all, but we both got issues out of unresolved, so we're making it. Bed of lies that you laying in. One last time. Told you a secret that you couldn't keep. When I let you down, you'd hold it all for me. Gave you leverage, intertwined, so I severed it. Staring at the screen when I should be asleep. I thought I'd let you go, let me suffer in peace. Feels like you're frozen, stuck in my mind.
Ooh, big chorus.
Chasing your spirit, guess I made it.
I love a pause.
My reflection in your broken love. Did your arrogance save us both? The embarrassment, cold as ice. I'm losing touch and I'm finding something to cope with, but all I see is your body is feeling hopeless. Somebody save me from myself. Staring at the screen when I should be asleep. I thought I let you go.
Ooh, little pickup.
Feels like you're frozen, stuck in my mind. Flooded with emotions, blurring the lines. And it's real, cursing a remedy. I've seen your worst and it cut too deep. You're frozen, stuck in my mind.
Man, Matt's voice is so killer.
Stuck in my mind, flooded with emotions, feels like you're frozen.
Yeah, big. Bring it back in.
Flooded with emotions, blurring the lines. And it's real, cursing a remedy. I've seen your worst and it cut too deep. You're frozen, stuck in my mind. You're frozen, stuck in my mind. Stuck in my mind. You're frozen, stuck in my mind.
I was gonna say before it got to that like breakdown area, like I love when Matt uses his voice because I feel like, and there's nothing wrong with it, but it's more of that like sing talk voice where it's just like flowing. So when he actually like belts his voice, it's my favorite.
Yeah, he's got such an incredible voice.
And I like how like the verses are basically just drums and
Yeah.
vocals.
They do a really good. This is probably. They never miss. They never have a bad song. It's one of the rare bands I can turn every song on, and it's
Yeah.
just a banger after banger.
It's
But
consistent, but not exactly the same too, which I like.
yeah, and it has that same feel, but it's always they do a good job of slowing it down. The lyrics are meaningful, but they always have that heavy that like the chorus even had like a driving, just there's driving riffs in it. So, And they do such a great job with incorporating little pauses and stuff and letting Matt's vocals shine. Oh, it's so good.
Yeah, it's good.
So, we're super biased here, so
Yay.
let us know what
But
you
yeah.
think in the comments. But yeah, I always fanboy out because, like I said, they're one of the few bands that they don't miss. They don't miss.
It's
So,
true.
cool. Well, I really like also too. Before we get out of here, I like the videos. The videos are just bands playing and keeping it simple.
I was gonna say that this one is. I feel like sometimes when they do the concert videos, it's only one. It's like one location where they like plan to film the video, and this is clips from different places.
I like how they ended it out too with them. You know how like bands do the stage shots at the end?
Oh yeah,
It's dope. So
love that.
we've been in there sometimes. Cool. We need to check and see. I can't wait to see. I need them to come back around because
Yeah.
we haven't really seen them. We've seen them at the Blue Ridge, and then we've seen them at in Charlotte.
Mm-hmm.
But they were opening up for Memphis Mayfire, I think it was.
That was and from Ashes to New.
Yeah. So
That was a fun one.
we want to see Rain City Drive on a headlining tour.
Yeah.
So
I think this past one they were with Dance Gavin Dance, which I love that too. But
yeah, that's awesome.
for other reasons.
Yeah.
But yeah, we gotta figure that out.
Cool. Well, guys, let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks for liking, viewing, sharing, and subscribing. Drink some coffee with us, and catch us next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.